Welcome to Business News Essay. Today we take a look at how to start a lawn care business. If you enjoy working outdoors and want to be your own boss, then starting a lawn care business can be a rewarding venture. As long as people have gardens, there will always be demand for a lawn care business. You can also start a lawn care business relatively easily, as you don't necessarily need much equipment and can get your business running with just one person. To help you get started, here are the steps you can follow to start a lawn care business. Research and planning. The first step in starting a lawn care business is understanding the market and carefully planning how your business will operate. Research the demand for lawn care services in your area. Make sure you understand the competition and what services and prices they offer. You need to make sure your lawn care business has a place in this market. Determine the lawn care services you'll offer, such as lawn mowing, weeding, fertilizing, landscaping, etc. This will help you understand what you'll need to arrange to get your business operating. Create a business plan. Creating a business plan is essential for establishing how your business will launch and operate. The more detailed your business plan is, the better your chances for success will be. Outline your goals, target market, pricing structure, marketing strategies, and financial projections. Use this information to determine how your lawn care business will be able to operate profitably, and what steps and resources will be needed to get the business running. Legal considerations. Decide whether you want to operate as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or LLC. You may want to consult with a lawyer or accountant to understand the best option for you. Register your business and get any necessary licenses and permits to operate legally in your area. You may also want to purchase liability insurance to protect yourself and your clients in case of accidents or damages. However, this type of insurance is not typical for a small lawn care business. Equipment and supplies. You can't run a lawn care business without having the right equipment available. This is often the most difficult step in setting up your business. Purchase whatever lawn care equipment you need to provide your services. You'll probably also need to purchase supplies like fertilizers, seeds, or other lawn care products. This also involves setting up relationships with reputable suppliers. If you are low on capital, it's possible to lease equipment. However, this is not ideal for the long-term success of your lawn care company. Market your business. As soon as you're ready to provide lawn care services, you'll need to make sure that customers know about your business. Develop a brand that represents your lawn care business. This should involve naming your business, creating a logo, and setting up an online presence. You'll need to have a website that showcases your services, contact information, and, ideally, customer testimonials. List your business on local directories, social media, and Google Business Profile to increase your visibility. You may also want to distribute flyers in your local area. Provide a great service. Once your business is set up, it's time to start providing lawn care services. Make sure that you deliver quality lawn care services to your clients to build a positive reputation. Building up a good reputation is essential when starting out. Be responsive to client inquiries and requests, and maintain clear communication throughout the business relationship. It can also be a great idea to ask for customer feedback and reviews to improve your services and build trust with potential customers. You can use positive reviews as valuable marketing collateral. Business growth. When your business is in operation, you'll want to start growing it. There are a couple of tactics you can use to do this. Asking satisfied clients for referrals to expand your customer base is a good strategy. You could also collaborate with local garden centers or home improvement stores to cross-promote your services. Introducing special offers during slower periods is always a great way to attract new customers. These are the basic steps to follow when starting a lawn care business. Of course, each business idea will differ, which means the specific steps you take might look a little different. Whatever services your lawn care business offers, putting in time and effort to build your business is essential if you want it to pay off. With the right dedication and business plan in place, you could turn a simple lawn care business into a highly rewarding and profitable venture. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.